Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Madam Speaker, the railway map of India is a network of veins that pump life giving blood into the heart of India's economy. Stop. Indian Railways is a unique integrator of modern India with a major role in its socio-economic development. Stop. It is an organization that touches the hearts and existence of all Indians, even Mahatma Gandhi. Stop. Bapu decided to undertake a voyage of discovery of India before launching himself into the national freedom movement, and he conducting this Bharat Darshan on trains, always traveling in third class. Stop. Unfortunately, railway facilities have not improved very substantially over the past few decades. Stop. A fundamental reason for this is the chronic underinvestment in railways, which has led to congestion and overutilization. Stop. As a consequence, capacity augmentation suffers, safety is challenged, and the quality of service delivery declines, leading to poor morale, reduced efficiency, suboptimal freight and passenger traffic, and fewer financial resources. Stop. This again feeds the vicious cycle of underinvestment. Stop. This cycle must be put to an end. Stop. Once it does, the gains to the economy will be immense. Better services, improved connectivity for all citizens, including the poorer segments of our society, lower costs, and improved competitiveness. Stop. Investment in the railways will have a larger multiplier effect on the rest of the economy and will create more jobs in the economy for the poor. Stop. Investment in Indian railways is also necessary for environmental sustainability and well-being of future generations. Stop para. Madam Speaker, the Indian Railways carry a heavy burden of expectations. Stop. Citizens who demand better railway services are often not aware of the constraints that the railways operate under. Stop. I wish to flag 2. There are 1 to 19 sections on the high density network, which can be roughly equated with tracks connecting the metros. Stop. Out of these, 492 are running at a capacity of more than 100%, and there are another 228 that are running at a capacity of between 80% and 100%. Stop. If a section is overstressed, the entire line is overstressed. Stop. There is no slack available for maintenance and train speeds slow down. Stop. On a single track, the Indian Railways have to run fast express trains like Rajdhani and Shatabdi. Stop. In the next 5 years, our priority will be to significantly improve capacity on the existing high density networks. Stop. Improving capacity on existing networks is cheaper. Stop. There are no major land acquisition issues and completion time is shorter. Stop. The emphasis will be on gauge conversion, doubling, tripling and electrification. Stop. Average speed will increase. Stop. Trains will become more punctual. Stop. Over.